The congratulations were sober, mature, and full of respect. But for fans, they meant much more than just words. Rumors of a possible reconciliation began to circulate on social media. Although others claim it's simply a necessary and respectful emotional closure. Ken Kickalary, a story that marked their lives. To understand the significance of this gesture from Barış, it's necessary to remember what Ken Kickalary meant to both him and Yağmur. The series not only brought them international fame and consolidated their careers, but also marked the beginning of a love affair that, though brief, was very intense. For months, the couple's fans followed their every move closely, and the news of their separation fell like a bucket of cold water. Although neither offered specific details about the reasons for the split, it was learned that professional differences and media pressure were decisive factors. Since then, Barış and Yağmur have maintained an elegant silence. No attacks, no innuendos, no scandalous statements. Just a mutual respect that, it seems, remains intact. A silent separation, unexpected support. What has touched fans the most is the fact that Barış has read the script for Yağmur's new series, suggesting that he not only remains attentive to her career, but is even taking the time to support her from afar. This isn't just a polite message. It's clear that he still has a special affection for her. Wrote one Twitter user. How beautiful to see a relationship end with such respect and support. One wish many couples would learn from them, commented another. And what about Barış's present? Since the end of his relationship with Yağmur, Baktaş has kept a relatively low profile. Although he has participated in several theater projects and recently starred in a psychological thriller miniseries that received very positive reviews. In recent weeks, she has been seen enjoying time with her family during the holidays, and although her love life remains a mystery, her name has been linked to a supporting actress with whom she shared a scene in her latest project. However, no relationship has been confirmed, and for many, the recent gesture towards Yağmur has rekindled feelings of nostalgia among fans of that couple who seemed to have it all. Yağmur Yüksel, an actress in full bloom. Meanwhile, Yağmur continues to prove that she is a versatile, committed, and constantly evolving artist. Her role in Educationless Messi promises to be one of the most intense of her career. And her physical and emotional transformation for this role has been remarkable. With a renewed look, a mature attitude, and a positive energy that is reflected in every public appearance, Yağmur is positioning herself as one of the most promising actresses of her generation. Life has taught me that everything has its time. I'm at peace with who I was, grateful for who I am, and excited for what's to come. She recently said in a television interview,